Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Nedbank Cup, AmaZulu 2, Orlando Pirates 4. I'm joined by Max.
First of all, I want to say thank you. The all Orlando Pirates supporters. We have been drive all the way, all provinces to come here. So Imbong, Kuba Bong, Abantu like Ekse and get support Orlando Pirates. It seems like Orlando Pirates is another home for Orlando Pirates this one. KZN. If we check, this is the only team that can fill a stadium.
It's what?
Only one team.
What?
Orlando Pirates.
Hela.
And at the moment, I think the Orlando Pirates supporters, they are mature enough. They know even they are down, they keep on supporting players.
True.
They keep on going.
Yes, sir.
So I think this is a lesson to our supporters. Even though things are bad for us, let us keep on supporting boys. And then the result will come. And I've been told you last time, when we were in Dobsonville, I said if the referees, they allow Pirates to play, we will see the calls. Simple. If the referees, they allow Pirates to play, you will see the calls. You'll see from that game in Golden Arrows in Orlando Stadium. You see today what's happening there. So just let Pirates play their football. Just let Pirates play their football.
Who was your man of the match, Max?
My man of the match I'll call Tito. Patrick. The boy is improving day in and day out. So, but at the moment, it's a hard luck to AmaZulu, because if you check 3 central defenders, they were not there. But we managed this game. So now it's information that our coach, as the coach, what they say, they got a message to AmaZulu. This is a clear message. Believe in your player. Even you check this boy is a son. That boy is cool and collected. It's another OJ, that boy. If they got a chance to play, that boy is a player. I'm happy to watch that boy. So that is a player. I want to say to technical staff for Orlando Pirates, management, all of them, even our supporters. Please, our supporters, when you go home, please drive safely. Don't drink and drive. Let us go home and safely and enjoy our next game. So we still need our supporters.
Did you know if you just swipe your Nedbank card twice this week, you can stand a chance to win an inverter?
I know very well.
Up to the value of 15K?
100%.
Are you gonna swipe that card?
I know very well.
Are you gonna swipe that card? Yes.
I'm gonna do it for my branch.
For your branch, my brother?
For my branch.
Yeah, because there's also 500,000 for my branch.
Because of love of the game.
For the love of the game.
They keep on digging their own pockets to come to support the team. You are getting nothing. But you are supporting our team. That on blue.
True,
exactly. So let us, if we get something, let us our supporters get something to show them that we are there. I want to tell you, if you check, if you drive from all the way from Joburg to come here, you spend 600, and then we book your hotel. How much you spend for almost 5,000 that you're gonna spend for your kids.
True, my brother.
And then from there we have to buy something for your kids. So if you get such thing like that one
from Nedbank,
it's a blessing from God.
True, my brother.
I want to say thank you.
Which team do you want in the next round? One team. One word, one team.
The only team at the moment I want.
What?
I want Stellenbosch. Listen, my brother. I want to Stellenbosch.
Not Sundowns.
Wait. I want to Stellenbosch.
Not Sundowns.
Wait. I want to meet Sundowns in final.
Okay.
I'm not scared of Sundowns. I want to teach Sundowns in the final. How we play a cup final with Sundowns. I'm not scared. Sundowns is nothing. Even yesterday, they played until penalty shootout. 2 games in a row. They play something, Sundowns. If you got a clever coach, Sundowns is dead now.
Sundowns is dead.
If you are a clever coach, you can't play Loch and Swan at the same time. I'm telling you, that Pepe Guardiola, one day they will cease playing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.